Lisa Hennessy with KnitPrayShare.com, and today I'm going to show you how to do the twisted rib stitch. I really like the way it looks. It's just gives it a different look. Like this is your basic ribbing right here, knit one, purl one, and then this is the twisted rib, knit one, purl one. You can tell the difference. It's just got a twisted look, and these are really nice to make skull caps with doing the twisted rib stitch. So I'm just going to show you how when I'm knitting, oops, sorry, guess I should use the right needle. If I'm knitting a normal ribbing, it's just like you knit normal, and you bring the yarn in front to purl. That's your normal knit purl ribbing. Now, if you're doing a twisted rib stitch, you're going to take your needle and you're going to put it in the back of that stitch like this, like you're knitting it, but it's at the back versus this, which is what we did on the red one. You put it in the back, and you're going to wrap it around and pull it through and pull it off the needle. Now purling again, you're going to purl, but rather than, this is your regular purling where you go like this and go in the front, you're going to take this needle, lift it up, go around the back and bring it to the front, and just like you're purling. Again, it goes in the back. Wrap it, just knit like normal. Purling, I'm bringing my yarn in the front to purl, but rather than going to the front of the stitch, I'm going into the back of the stitch, and I'm going to purl it. Bring it to the back, but go into the back of your stitch right here. Purl to the front, but again, bring it through the back to the front, purl it, and slip it off. Going into the back of the stitch. And once you do this enough, you're not going to be tempted to do like you normally knit and purl. In fact, after you do this, if you pick up a knitting project, you're going to start doing your knitting and your purling as if you're doing the twisted ribbon. You'll catch yourself, because that's what I've done. I made several skull caps, and after I did that, I couldn't remember the right way to knit and purl because I was so used to it. Bring it to the front, and again, you go through the back of the stitch. And I'm not a great knitter, so I have to pick up my yarn with my fingers and pull it through. And that is okay. And that's why I'm doing these tutorials, because I'm not that great of a knitter, and if I can knit and learn these different stitches, anybody can. It's to give you encouragement to not give up, because I should have given up a long time ago, and I haven't. And I've been able to figure out these stitches by the YouTube videos, tutorials, and friends that have helped me. And then you just do that until your piece is the width you want it, the length you want it. But that is your twisted rib stitch. I mean, this looks really nice, and it's nice and really stretchy. This is good to make baby hats too. Just nice stretchy stitch for you.